Hello guys, welcome to Pinoy Salad Vlog. Tadz recipe niya po, gagawa tayo ng crispy fried chicken skin. So, mahaluan natin ng 1 teaspoon of ground pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 egg white only. And then we will marinate for 30 minutes to 1 hour, and then we will start our cooking session. So after we marinate the chicken skin in 1 container, maglalagay po tayo ng 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and then we will add our chicken. Tapos i-mix lang yun, alog-alog. Hanggang sa mix evenly, and then we will fry later. You can add more if it's not enough, but we'll see. Yeah, I think it's fine, or it's more than enough. Then we will start frying our chicken skin. Then we will set aside into a bowl. Mainit yung ating mantika guys, so we'll start frying our chicken skin. Crispy chicken skin. So we will wait until it will turn to golden brown. Yan guys, luto na ang ating crispy fried chicken skin. So we'll set aside. We'll set her down. Isa na yung mantika. Hindi siya chicken skin. Sarap. Our crispy fried chicken skin with our vinegar, pepper, and chili. Crispy fried chicken skin, Tadz recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Pinoy Salad Vlog. Thanks for watching.